An Ananda alert for 21-year-old Tijan Gibbs, who has been missing since Tuesday, September 5th. Elderly woman shot during supermarket robbery in Westmoreland. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 21-year-old Tijan Gibbs of De La Vega City, Spanish Town in St. Catherine, has been missing since Tuesday, September 5. He is of dark complexion, stout build, and about 183 centimeters or 6 feet tall. Reports from the Portmore police station are that between 1 p.m. and 4 p.m., Gibbs was seen at home wearing a black and white dress shirt, blue jeans, and a pair of black shoes. All effort to locate him have proven futile. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Tijan Gibbs is asked to contact the Portmore police station at 876-989-8422 or 119 police emergency number or the nearest police station. Armed thugs carry out a robbery at a supermarket in Little London, Westmoreland on Monday. The news media was informed that an elderly woman was shot in the incident and has been hospitalized in serious condition. It is reported that about 9 a.m., a group of armed men invaded the supermarket and stole more than $400,000 in cash from the proprietor. On leaving, the men opened fire, hitting the elderly woman who was walking along the roadway.